Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ashley. This is the Ward House. No, that's my other channel. Go look at that though. This is my organizing DIY, you name it channel. I do cleaning, cooking, all that kind of stuff. This is Ward Off Clutter. Yes. So, welcome you guys. And today I'm going to be doing my closet. It's been much needed for a long time. I've been putting it off because it's just one of those areas that we just kind of throw things, and I don't want to do that anymore. So we're gonna get to it today, but I will show you guys what we are working with today. So this is Russell's side. Oh boy, all of his hunting stuff is actually, there's a box. There's a box right here. It's all supposed to go in there, but is it? No. Bunch of wasted space. I hate this, but I'm gonna work with what I got. Those of you who don't know my channel, I do try to work with what I have. I don't try and build something new unless it's in our budget. I try and make it budget friendly. And here's my side. It's all color coordinated as best as I can. There's some things we need to get rid of. This is the old dog bed. We need to toss that. My boots, I need to find a different situation with that because they don't really fit in there very well. I kind of have to stuff them. So I'm going to figure something out there. My shoe rack, that's not going to change. And then all of my flats and sandals are on the back of the door. Don't know if that's going to change. We'll see how much space I have left. And then these things I bought a while ago. There's 4 of them. I'm going to utilize those. These things, I really like them. That came with it. I don't know what happened there. But they don't fit on the shelf, as you can see. They fit barely on the shelf. Sideways, even. So we're going to figure something out there. It's going to be a work in process, you guys. But bear with me. I can do it. Cleared off the top part. Cleared it all off. It's my jewelry. I don't really know what else to do with that. That's mostly my bracelets up there. I'm very guilty of this. I get lazy and I just kind of put them on there. This is supposed to be where my earrings go. And then my necklaces, that's easy just to put on there. But I do get lazy and just end up putting my earrings just kind of everywhere. Next up, I'm going to build this thing here. This is going to be in Russell's area for his pants and shoes because I'm going to get rid of this shoe rack thing here. And then after that, I'm going to organize all of this. That all came from the top section of our closet, you guys. Oh my gosh. How does all this stuff accumulate? I just don't get it. So this is an awesome little contraption here. It's not too bad. I think I got this at Walmart. This is, yes, Mainstays. I think it's Walmart. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So these are Russell's pants and shorts and workout shorts for now. I think I'm going to take this down and put that thing on the floor here. This is a nice contraption, and I might still keep it. I'm not sure. Okay, I'll show you guys. When I put it in, it like moves around and stuff. These bottom shorts fall out all the time because it tips, and so I don't like it. But we'll still probably keep it for something. I don't know yet. And then you guys will see how I deal with these. I'm actually going to put my boots, the big tall ones, up here and line them up, and you'll see how I stuff them. But you use a pool noodle, cut it per length of the boots, and put it in the boots so they stand up straight, and that way you have straight boots and They don't have creases in them from folding. As you can see here, these boots have like a crease right here from where I folded it from putting it in there. So I need to change that. And yes, I just threw my boot. I'm so sorry.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he needs a lot of